I got 2 boxes from Live, Love, Posh. And I'll show you what's in each of the boxes. Here's what's in the first box. So I'm going to unpack it so you can see what's in there. I'll be right back. So I got the cup, which is pretty. I got the clips, and I got the box and the sticker book, which is really nice. I'm really liking that. Okay, so let me show you the sticker book. So I got the cup, the clips, the sticker book box, which is real cute because it's wood, and gold handles. And then here's this. This is the sticker book. I'm just showing you a glimpse. You got half boxes, full boxes. Flowers. It's really pretty. So, trying to do this with one hand. There we go. Isn't that pretty? So that's what I got in the first box. So let me show you what I got in the second box. First box was that one where I had the box, the clips, and the sticker book, and the cup. So that was her 1-year anniversary set. So this is her second box right here. And I got a thank you card from her. But this one, I just got the pen. So this is just a pen set, which is so cute. This is Live, Love, Posh. And I'll show you the inside of that. Hold on. This is the pens. And it says, it's really pretty. It has sayings on there. Progress over perfection. And believe in yourself. And then this one here, the other one, says, I think it's just Live, Love, Posh. Right there. So, I really like the pens. And I like the pens because it's got the clip. And then here, it's got the little rubber piece right there. So you could pop it off. And let's see how it writes. Let's see how it writes. So I got to take the rubber piece off. Hold on. Okay, so let me see how it writes. It writes good. I like it. It's got a nice feel to it when I write it. So what a nice set. So the second box I got was the pens. And then the first one was the 1-year anniversary kit. The 1-year anniversary set, which came with the cup, the clips, and the sticker box. So I'm just happy with everything.